So this is a classic mechanics problem where you have, this is called a double pendulum. And I like to think of it as constrained motion, where this rod is constrained to pivot about this point. Your instructors could talk to you however they want to talk to you about it. But there's a couple of fun things here. Let's just swing this one first. If you get it just right, it swings almost like a normal pendulum here, where the whole thing is swinging, and that's one mode. And then we can also set it up like this. And oh, that's not quite right. Let me see if I can do a little bit lower amplitude, like this. And so sometimes you'll get it where it's literally one swinging this way and one swinging that way, like that. That's what there we go, that's pretty close to it. And so that's a different mode of oscillations. And even more fun is this. Just give it a second. This is called a chaotic pendulum. And every once in a while it'll look like it's all done, and sometimes it'll go back up. But that looks like that's all that one had in it. Notice it settles down into one of those two main modes. This is the symmetric mode. Let's try it one more time. Whoa, almost got myself. Isn't that cool? And there, it looked like it, oh, it almost settled into the anti-symmetric mode. And that's about it.